Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, America's premier acting and commercial modeling career coach, the founder of HowToModel.com, the author of How to Become a Successful Commercial Model, now in its fifth edition. And I've been making my living as an actor and a commercial model for over 26 years. You know, there's a term that you might have heard of and you might not be sure exactly what it means, and it's called editorial. And quite often people really have no idea what that really means. So let me explain it to you. An editorial is not an ad. An editorial is a photograph that goes along with an article in a magazine. So, like for instance, let's say there's Time Magazine, and they are doing an article about teenage and drinking. And there's a big spread about this. So what they might do is they will hire a photographer, hire a makeup artist, hire a commercial model, and have the teenager look like he or she has a drinking issue. They're on the floor, there's a bottle, they look kind of drunk, whatever it is, and they will place that photo either on the front cover of the magazine or within the magazine, but by the article. And you see these all the time in the commercial world. They're called editorials. So just so you know, they're not ads, but they're photographs that go along with an article. So that's what an editorial is all about. This is just one of the many things you're going to be learning at my online commercial modeling workshop. You're going to learn everything from the best way to get started, how to put together the right photos, get pictures taken free, how to market yourself and get work on your own. And basically, you're going to be saving yourself years and years of guesswork and trial and error and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of money spent unnecessarily. So, to get more information about the workshop, simply click on the link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.